If you're traveling to Melbourne soon and you have no idea where to stay, why not try Novotel Melbourne Central? Located just a stone throw away from Elizabeth Street and a couple of minutes walk to Little Bourke as well as the State Library of Melbourne. So let's check out this hotel together. Now, one thing you'll realize is you do see the Novotel and Ibis sign together, and that's because they are actually under the same building. From level 4 until level 19, those belongs to Ibis, while 20 and above belongs to Novotel. They however do share a few floors together, such as the check-in area, where on the right side where you can see right now, that's Ibis, while over this end, it's Novotel check-in. Alright, let's check out our room. We'll be staying on the 21st floor today and staying in room 2104. Now, I booked just the normal king room, so nothing fancy, but it's just as good. Let me show you. Right off the bat, when you walk into the room, you can see the washroom, which is a open concept toilet there. And the bathroom as well as the toilet is separated, so that is good. You know, you don't have to wait for somebody to be out of the toilet if you want to take a shower and vice versa. Speaking of the shower, it does come with the standard, the shower head as well as the rainfall shower, and they do come with shampoo, conditioner and body shower gel. Underneath the sink is 2 bath towels, and that's about it. There is no other amenities here, toothbrushes or whatnot. Let's venture into the bedroom. Right beside the bed, there is some storage area for you to put your luggage, as well as a cupboard for you to hang up your clothes, and it's also where you'll find your hairdryer, the ironing, as well as a safe. Again, amenities such as bathrobes and slippers are not on offer here. The bed is firm, so depending on your preference, you may or may not like it. For me, I managed to get a few good nights of sleep, so I'm happy. There is also a day bed just next to the bed itself, and it's very comfortable. Just below that is an empty fridge with some milk, and of course you have some tea and instant coffees. I'm also happy to report that the cups and the kettle was in pristine condition, very clean. If you were to ask me what is the most impressive thing about this room, no, not the decorations. Yup, the 55-inch TV with Chromecast. Alright, let's wander a bit around this hotel. Now, if you remember, I did tell you that Ibis and Novotel resides in the same building and they do share a few floors together. One was the check-in area, the reception, and number 2, the gym. So the gym is located on the 3rd floor, and you can actually see signs of Ibis and Novotel listed so that you don't get on the wrong elevator. Let's look at the gym itself. Now, it's not a very big gym, especially when it's being used by 2 different hotels. I don't care if they're under the same building, it's still 2 different hotels. But the equipment there is a bit lacking. There was only the one bench and its friend, the lonely fitness ball. There is some free weights and some machines you can work out on. You'll also find some cardio machines such as the treadmill and some bikes. The hotel do provide some towels in the gym itself for you to wipe off your sweat, and they also have sanitation wipes if you want to wipe down the machine, and of course there is a water dispenser as well. So that's all for this hotel, and I just wanted to take this time to show you the view out of my room. Anyways, this is a beautiful hotel and I think it's a very nice place to stay. It's very comfortable. The only problem I have is the design of the toilet itself. Imagine if you're staying with somebody in this room and you're taking a number 2 in the toilet with that gap.